Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. This week we're talking about campervan cheap eats or caravan or motorhome, and we're going to have a look at some of the ways you can save money while you're away in your campervan, caravan or motorhome, and what we do that makes life a little bit cheaper whilst on the road. This is another Vanother Collective Collaboration vlog, and as such, all the logos will be appearing around here somewhere, and all the channel links for all the other channels in the collaboration will be in the description down below. So don't forget, go check them out. And as usual, they'll all have a different vlog to watch as well because we're on our new system. So everybody will have a different subject. And of course, as I've said before, we will do all the subjects over the 12 months. But for now, our vlog this month is all about van life cheap eats. My biggest tip would be planning. Planning makes a massive difference to most things, whether it's what you're going to eat, where you're going to go, what you're going to do. If you plan things, it can save a fortune. So, our first tip is plan your meals out, what you're going to eat, how long you're going to be away for. Make a plan. And then before you go, if it's just a weekend away, you can prep all your food before you go. Put it in little storage boxes, chop your onions, peppers, mushrooms, your meat, anything you're going to need to take to make them meals on a budget. Prep them all before you go. An alternative to prepping before you go is actually cooking before you go. So if you're making a spag bol or a chili, make a little bit extra. Pop it in a storage container, pop it in the fridge, and take it with you. It saves a lot of hassle and it also keeps down your cooking costs because you're not using as much gas to cook on. Another tip is where you shop. If you shop at the big supermarkets, they tend to be a little bit more expensive than shopping at such as Aldi or Lidl, or even your local market. Have a box in the camper with your store cupboard staples in, things such as herbs and spices, garlic granules, all that sort of thing. If they're already in the van, it's going to save you money while you're away, something you don't have to buy. Another one you can do is keep such things as rice and pasta in your van. These keep quite well in an airtight container and you can keep them in there for some time. And pasta and rice are always good things to fill out a meal to make it much more filling. One pot meals are always fantastic. We have a favourite that we do, which is a creamy garlic mushroom and chicken, which you may have seen in a previous collaboration vlog from a year or two back. And I'll link a little bit of that footage in to show you. But this is a really quite a cheap meal to cook, and it's all done in one pan. There we have it. Creamy mushroom chicken. Real simple to make. Quick and easy to do at the caravan, campervan or motorhome, whichever one you've got. You're not using as much gas as if you were doing lots of different pans on the stove. So it's not just saving on the food you're buying, but it's saving on what you're actually cooking with. So another one to keep in the van, we keep all sorts of bits and bats in our camper van, but tinned food, beans, spaghetti, tinned steak is a big one that we keep in ours, and yeah, it's about £3 a tin, but put it with a bit of pastry. If you've got a rich monkey, make a rich monkey pie. Again, one of our favourites to do. And I'll link that in as well because we have done this a few times on vlogs, a rich monkey pie. Really cheap food, £5 for to make a big pie for two people. Can't go wrong really. Right, so the pie is ready. So I'll just turn off the gas, take off the top part of the pan. To get out of the pan, I found the easiest thing to do is to get a board or a plate, lay it on the top, and just flick it over, and there you go, one chicken and mushroom pie, all ready to eat. Absolutely scrumptious. And again, if you've got a rich monkey, omelettes, lots of eggs. I've got mine here, lots of eggs. We go through loads and loads of eggs. And to make an omelette, you can put anything you want in an omelette. My favourites tends to be ham and cheese, a bit of mushroom sometimes, a bit of onion. They're all things that are reasonably cheap to buy, but if you've got a rich monkey or a decent frying pan, omelette is a great saving to make for tea and very, very filling. And as a bonus, it's reasonably healthy till you throw the cheese on it anyway. Another good meal to do, and it's one of Andy's favourites, is beans on toast. Then he'll throw an egg on the top as well. Very, very cheap meal. A couple of slices of bread, a tin of beans, and an egg. Very, very cheap. Another shopping tip, local markets, but go late on in the day. If you go late on in the day, and especially on a Saturday when they're about to close, most of the things they're selling off quite cheap to have rid of it and make something on it. So it's a bonus to the shopper, and it's ideal to get your veggies for a Sunday lunch. And if you've just done that for Sunday lunch and you've got some veggies and bits of meat left over, why not do a fried rice meal with all the leftovers? One pan meal, leftovers are costing you nothing, and you're saving again on the gas or the electric, whichever one you're using. So them's our hints and tips and ideas for cooking cheaply in your caravan, motorhome or camper van. And don't forget, this has been a Vanother Collective Collaboration vlog, so don't forget to go check out all the channels in the description below. But from us, that is it for this vlog, and we'll catch you on the next time. Bye for now.